Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 i-MMD Elegance eCVT. Now, this vehicle has only done delivery mileage and it's finished in the colour Midnight Blue Beam. It's an excellent fuel efficient vehicle that comes with some impressive features. It does sit very nicely on 15-inch wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,205 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you'll find your lovely two-tone cloth interior. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you will find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you will find your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway commutes. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to trip information. You can see your average fuel consumption. There's also a display for your hybrid system. There's even access to other features including your driver assist. You do have the lane departure warning system as well as the pre-collision warning system, features that make you feel much safer when you're on the road and give you extra reassurance and confidence. You do also have access to additional information such as your seat belts. You can even access your phone and audio here on the system. Centered in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now the system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You're also able to play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You have your Bluetooth phone menu here. You can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system's also compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Here you can easily pair your smartphone up to the system and use compatible applications that you have on your phone directly here on the system. Here are some of the additional features that the system comes with on the home screen. This Jazz comes with front and rear sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below the display you have your automatic climate control, which is nice and simple to use. You have two USB points along with a 12-volt socket. There's a storage tray there, and also in the center console you'll find your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake and econ.